Hello, I'm currently taking this video from the Village Hotel. I did say I was going to upload a video, but yeah, this is the hotel room. I'll show you in the bathroom. Mirror. And if we go over here. Oh my god, we've got an iron in here. Oh my god, I didn't know that was in there. Oh my god, my mum's gonna be happy. But yeah, this is the room. The Dyson fan. I didn't know they had ironing facilities in here, that's good. Chairs, table chairs. I didn't know it was this good. Wow, I'm impressed. If we go this way, this is the bathroom. Shower facilities in there. There's the tap. And then there's an ironing thing in here, you know that?
Yes, darling.
Didn't know that was in there.
Kettle.
Oh, there's a kettle?
Yeah.
Oh my god, so this is the shower facilities. I'm not sure how it works, I'm not going to show you. But these are the shower facilities. Oh wait, I think that one's hot and that one's cold, I don't know. But yeah. That's the shower facilities. And then, yeah, that's about it.